Hi, this is Allie Dosdell with DigiScrap 101, and I'm here to show you a brand new software that just released at CHA Winter. It's called Digital Scrapbook Artist by Serif. It retails for between $40 and $50. It's very user-friendly, and it also has a lot of neat options for the more advanced digital scrapbooker. It comes with content, or you can use your own digital scrapbooking content as well. Let me go ahead and show you some of the features of this. If you want to start a new scrapbook page, you would just click on File, New, and then click New Scrapbook. I've gone ahead and started a page so I can show you some things. First, if you want to pick out your background, you're going to click on Backgrounds. Then you're going to click on Add, and you can go through these packs and add whichever ones you'd like to work with. And then when you're done selecting the ones you'd like to work with, you can click OK. Now, I really like this craft colored background down here, so I'm going to go ahead and just drag that and drop it onto my page. Alright, let me show you some of the neat features. If you want to add an outside element that's not part of the content or a photo, you just click up here on Photo, and then you can go ahead and select what you'd like to open. Then you would just hit Open, and then you would just click on your page and it'll open the element onto your page. Okay, now let me show you a cool feature of this. You can hand cut your photos or paper. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click on the scissors up here after we select it. And then we're going to go to this drop down box and pick one of these decorative edges. I really like this bump one, but I want it to be bigger, so I'm going to go ahead and put it at maybe 12 for wavelength and 12 for amplitude. Then you're just going to across your element. Okay? Obviously you can curve around or bend or angle it however you want. Then you just click on the portion that you would like to remove. Okay? Now if I were really doing this, I would go back and redo that by clicking Edit, Undo. Okay? And then I might do it again and get it a little straighter. But that's good. So I would like to select this because I want to crop it. Tell you what, I already cut the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead. Oops, this is resize, I'm sorry. Okay, select, crop. Alright. Crop, there we go. And I'm just going to move this down. So I want a nice scalped border. It goes ahead and it crops it for you. Okay? Now while it's selected, I would like to add a drop shadow. So I'm going to click on Shadow Tool, and then you can adjust your shadow, opacity, blur. I'm going to set that at about 4 points because that's pretty realistic for paper. If you have a 3D element, you can bend or shear your shadow with these tools up here. Okay, so now I'm going to just place this. Whoops, I'm sorry, I moved the shadow. See, you can do that too. Pretty cool. Alright, but I would like to just select the item so I can move it right to here. Okay, now let me show you how to crop a photo. Same thing, click on the crop tool. But this is neat, it shows you the size as you drag it along and crop it. I have my other photos at about 1.7 inches, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then you can even go back and reposition the photo inside the box that you cropped. Pretty cool. Okay, whoops. Alright, there we go. Now I'm going to just select this and move it over. And then I would hit Arrange, Order Items. And I'm going to send that to the back and then forward maybe 2 so I can get it just in the right place. There it is. Okay. Now let me show you how to add other items. I'm going to add a couple letters or numbers. Okay, I've already added these to my little working area here. I'm going to shrink them down to about 1 1/3 inches. Look how it has the size as you're dragging it along. This makes it so easy. Oops. Okay, now we're just going to move that to there. There's my title. Okay. Now let me show you a neat feature that I have not seen before. This is cool. It's called the Roughen tool. Click on that little thing that looks like a hoe there. And then you're just going to start at the top, click and drag down just a little bit toward the center, and that's going to just distress those edges a little bit. See that? You can do it more extreme or less extreme, however you want. Pretty cool. Okay, one last thing I want to show you is text. Click on your text box. This is cool. You just click and drag down up to change the size of your font, and lets you see what it's going to look like. So I want mine to be about that big. And I'm going to change my font to this two-piece scrapbook, and I want my color black. You can select any color over here. Then I'm just going to type. Okay, and then I'm going to rotate it a bit to match up with the tag I have there. And then just select it so I can move it just a bit. Okay, so there we go. I hope that gives you an idea, just a basic idea of what this program can do. There's a lot more, including photo editing, lots of photo editing options. You can do extraction work, you can adjust color, hue, brightness, saturation, contrast, recolor, all kinds of options. So again, this is Digital Scrapbook Artist software by Serif, and this is Allie Dowsville for DigiScrap 101. Thanks for being with me, and I'll see you around on the site.